Welcome to Purple Trading. If you are new to trading or are familiar with MetaQuote's MT4 and are looking to switch to Purple Trading cTrader, we invite you to watch our video series on the differences between the two platforms. In this video, we will look at charting and the benefits of cTrader over MT4. MT4 Desktop offers a reliable charting window with the capacity for multiple charts, zooming in and out, scrolling side to side, and changing time frames. cTrader does all this, of course, and offers a bit more in each area in both the desktop and web versions. Unfortunately, MT4 Web only allows you to display one chart at a time, no color and thickness configurations for indicators, and no adjustment for sub-window sizing. cTrader Web, however, offers you the same configurations and multi-chart functionality as cTrader Desktop. You may select between multi-chart mode, free chart mode, and single chart mode, and you will notice that every chart has an independent favorites panel. Zooming in and out is available, but you also have a slider for more precise adjustments. Scrolling up and down is also available, and you will note a very handy feature in that simply using your keyboard arrow keys allows you to scroll through the available time frames. You may easily add time frames to your panel, including options like Renko bars. Every chart offers you the option of search from all symbols or watch lists. You may link charts to each other and to the active symbol panel, which is very efficient for monitoring individual symbols on multiple time frames. Another feature not found on MT4 is that on every chart you may search for indicators and find them pre-installed or available to download, and many have video tutorials in the desktop version. The biggest benefit, however, is cTrader Desktop's ability to let you detach charts. In this way, you can create a variety of workspaces and view charts on as many monitors as your system can provide. You may also create multi-chart mode inside individual detached charts, and you will note that every detachment has its own instruments toolbar. As a bonus, other elements may be detached as well. MT4 Mobile is a proven platform and is useful for monitoring your trades and has a full complement of time frames and indicators, but the trade option is independent from the chart, so you have to write down or memorize your key levels before you enter the market. This can lead traders to enter the market without any thought of risk management. Also, your open positions and pending orders are not displayed on the charts. cTrader Mobile, on the other hand, offers you a multi-level chart view from the symbol list to the order ticket, to the main chart. cTrader Mobile not only displays your open positions and pending orders on each chart, you may modify your positions and get a clear view of your risk and profit. And don't forget, you can receive notifications on your smartwatch as well. To change symbols on any chart on MT4 Mobile, you must return to the Quotes page and select Chart. The same procedure on cTrader Mobile may be done by simply opening this drop-down box. Whether you are a beginning trader or have experience trading on other platforms, we hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.